Hey, let me show you the best welcome message to send as soon as a new subscriber appears on your OnlyFans account. Hey, my name's Bjorn Olsen from your OFM.com. I'm the owner of your OnlyFans Empire and Empire Forums. Your OnlyFans Empire is a management agency managing girls in the top 1% from all over the world, completely remotely. It's about hotel rooms and traveling and all my different videos. Check me out at Bjorn Olsen Official on all major social media platforms. But for now, let's get you back to the video. All right, so someone just subscribes to your OnlyFans account, and then I'm assuming you've got an automated welcome message that's sent to them. If you don't, well, you got work to do. But let me show you first what I see a lot of girls send. All right, so it'll be something like this. Hey, sexy, welcome to my page. You won't be disappointed. I sell photos for $10 each or 5 for 20, blah, blah, deal thing here, blah, blah, menu items, blah, blah. I sell this. That's all the guy sees. As soon as they subscribe and they see something like this, they're thinking they're in the shop. They're thinking that you've just hit an eBay store page and they're wondering what the hell all these prices are. And instantly they feel used because 99% of these guys or simps, regardless what gender, are signing up because they want to get a glimpse behind the scenes of this girl that maybe they want to get to know a bit more, especially if you're funneling them from dating apps. So especially if you're funneling from dating apps, then these guys are thinking that this is the kind of girl next door and they want to get a peek behind the closed doors or they want to get close to you. So if you send them a message like this, as soon as they subscribe, they instantly know you are full of shit. And that's when they often they'll report the dating app, they'll report the Reddit account, they'll report TikTok, wherever they came from, because instantly they feel betrayed. They're like, oh, she was just using me. She's here to sell me something. All right. So this is what I recommend. And it's actually quite simple. That this is what is going to make this video take like 2 minutes. All right. That's it. Literally it. Wow. Well, I don't need a welcome message automated to send just to say, how are you? Do I? Yeah, you do. Here's why that is awesome. Because it looks like it's not automated. It looks like you have personally gone out of your way to say, how are you to the guy who's just subscribed. Now you can automate this because then you can get all of these subs feeling, the same warm feeling as though you're talking to them personally at the same time. That's why you automate it. And that is what you want because you want to build rapport and then pitch them later on. You want to build rapport, get to know them, get them feeling like, you really are that girl they want to get to know a bit more. And then you'll subliminally try and sell them content later on, especially if you see what mood they're in. You'll often pick up a vibe of what mood they're in, especially if you're in the same country as them and perhaps it's nighttime, they've finished work and, they'll just say, how are you doing at like 9:30 at night? You get a fair idea where it's heading. And then that means, hey, I can sell content. But especially if they subscribe at like 2 in the afternoon and you're like, bam, here's my prices, here's my menu items here. But it's not happening. They're going to feel betrayed. They're going to report whatever platform they came from. But with this, it looks like you were there straight away, which means you're active all the time. And you're giving them a nice warm hug as soon as they subscribe to the account. And then you're ready to build rapport, which means you can sell to them later on. Don't worry about selling to them straight away. Don't worry about blasting them with prices. Think of it as like an investment. You're investing time, you're investing rapport so they can sell them heaps later on. And if you do it carefully enough, you can keep them coming back. You can turn them into what we call whales, which means they'll be spending big, premium, high ticket prices. But it all starts with something little like this. So I'll wrap it up by saying switch that welcome message that you've got automated, remove whatever you've said before, and just put this, hey, how are you? Even put an X after. I notice most girls around 18 to 30, they'll typically look a little more emotive. So they'll have an emoji or an X at the end. So whatever you do, just tailor it accordingly. But I would recommend that you replace that welcome message right now, get maximum sales and make your subs feel welcome. And then ultimately get more money out of them. So that's it. So if you like the content, go smash that like button, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you on another video.
The ultimate hub for OnlyFans success.